धर्म एव महाधनं धर्म सर्वत्र विजयी भवतु श्रेयसे नृणाम्।
Sahodharan Ayyappan was born in Kumbalathu Parambil family of Ilanjamkulam, Cherai on 22nd August 1889. His parents is Kochavu Vaidyan and Unnuli. He was the youngest among 9 children. He had lost his father at the age of 2 and grew under care of his elder celibate brother Achyutan Vaidyar. Chattambi Swamigal, Guru and Kumar Nashan visited this house. He studied alphabets under Cherai Kannu Ashan. He had training in martial arts. He had schooling at Cherai and North Paravur. He had passed FA from Malabar Christian College, Kozhikode, and joined for BA Philosophy in Madras Christian College. Unfortunately, he had discontinued due to financial constraints. Guru directed him to Kumar Nashan, who arranged his accommodation in SNDP Yogam building at Kaidamukku in Thiruvananthapuram. He had graduated from Maharajas College, Thiruvananthapuram at 28. He worked as a teacher at Union School Cherai, Government School Chalai in Thiruvananthapuram and Ramavarma School Cherai. He married Parvati, daughter of Justice E.K. Ayyakutti in 1930, and they had a son, Dr. Sugadan, and a daughter, Aisha. Aisha was married to Dr. C.K. Gopalakrishan. Dr. Sugadan migrated to UK in the 1960s. Ayyappan was much delighted when Dr. Sugadan married Susan, an Irish Christian nurse. Dr. Sugadan died in June 2020 and Aisha in May 2021 and Susan in October 2021. Ayyappan had organized an interdining at Cherai on 29th May 1917 and founded 12-member Sahodara Sangam Brotherhood Association, including 2 Pulayas in 1917. This was opposed strongly by Vijnana Vardhani Sabha of Cherai, and he was insulted, beaten and called Pulayan Ayyappan. Ayyappan wrote Sangha Charitam on this occasion. Guru gave a written message in support of intercaste marriage and interdining on 15th May 1921. Amachi Thevan, an outcast Hindu from Puthota, was admitted in temples under the control of Izhavas in Kochi because of his persistent demands. Ayyappan had burned hay effigies of caste demons at many places, led a procession on an outlawed road at Srirangapuram and got that road universally opened. He wrote a poem against vulgar songs amid Kodungalur Parani festival, spoke against animal sacrifice and obscene songs, and there was an endeavor to kill him. He passed law from Government Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. When he had started Sahodharan magazine in 1917 and Sahodharan Daily in 1919 from Cherai, he became famous as Sahodharan Ayyappan. He had covered Dr. Ambedkar in his front page, cited Russian Revolution, and coined the word Sakhav to address SNDP Yogam volunteers in a poem, Iravat Bodhanam, in 1919. Ayyappan declared in a labor meeting at Cherthala in 1924, strike and get liberated like the Russians who liberated themselves by slaying the royal family. Never mind the gun of the army, the baton of the police, and even the king. When Guru had commented that Izhavas stand at the middle of the caste conundrum, Ayyappan put one hand over B.T. Patadiri and the second on Ayangali. As a rejoinder to Guru's famous slogan, one caste, one religion and one God for mankind, Ayyappan proclaimed no caste, no religion, and no God for mankind. And for Guru's Deva Dashakam, he wrote Science Dashakam. Ayyappan had celebrated Vaishakha Paurnami in Kochi in 1925, embraced Buddhism, and tried to spread Buddhism in Palakkad district. He was given a Mangala Patra by Vijnanavardhini Sabha in 1927. He initiated free thinking. He was a rationalist who began Yuktivadi magazine in 1928. After inauguration of Mahasamadhi Mandir, he wrote in Vivekodayam, God is a noble imagination. To consider Guru as God is such an imagination. He was a member of Kochi Legislative Council for 21 years since 1928. He was the first in Bharat to display pictures of Karl Marx and Lenin in his office, and the first to publish Das Kapital of Karl Marx, his Malayalam translation, in 1936. Ayyappan founded Adi Vaipin Labour Sangam, Ochan Turuthu Labour Union, and Cochin Labour Union. In 1933, he edited and published 3 days a week Velakaran. He formed the Socialist Party in 1938. He became a leader of Praja Mandalam. Since 9th September 1946, he was a minister in the government headed by Panambally Govinda Menon and Ikkanda Vandiyer in Kochi. He was Labour Minister in 1947. As PWD Minister, he sanctioned 70 feet wide MG Road. He proposed Vaipin Kochi Bridge to link Vaipin and Vallarpadam with mainland. He advocated government's involvement in family planning. Travancore Kochi State was formed on 1st July 1949. He was a minister in Travancore Kochi under Paravu T.K. Narayana Pillai in 1949, but resigned in 1949 itself to protest against the dismissal of some lower level employees. He was widely respected for his impeccable integrity. He advocated registration of love marriages and passed Civil Marriage Act. Ayyappan passed a resolution in the assembly for holiday on Guru Samadhi. He was the charter secretary and later president of Kochi Izhava Samajam. He became SNDP Yogam assistant secretary in 1921 and president in 1941. Ayyappan and P. Gangadharan organized a meeting of 50,000 members of Kochi SNDP Yogam in Kochi on 23rd December 1945. He began non-informal education. He used to write a column titled Last Week in Kerala Kamudi. For the last 15 years of his life, he distanced from active social and political life and atheism. Guru commented at Mannandala Devi temple, even if Ayyappan says there is no God, God is there in his actions. To Sabarimala devotees who recited Swami Ayyappa, Ayyappan said, Swami is here, and Guru said, Ayyappa is here. He had deep obeisance to Guru. He prostrated before Guru's mortal remains in Sivagiri Math in 1928. Guru was a spiritual dynamo to him. He laid foundation for Tripunithura Sri Kumaramangalam temple. He worshipped at Vaikam Deveshwara temple. He declared, Need Dharma, Need Dharma, Need Dharma. Few days before his death, he had asked for Guru Puja and consumed prasadam given by Kuttipuzha Krishnapilla. Ayyappan breathed his last on 6th March 1968. His mortal remains were cremated near Guru Deepam at Valmiki Hill, Thottumugam in Aluva. Salem Mav, a mango tree planted by Sahodaran Ayyappan at Valmiki Hill, is still green. Professor N.K. Sanu and C.R. Keshavam Vaidya wrote his biography. Dr. N. Padmanabhan wrote on Sahodaran Ayyappan and rationalist movement in Kerala. Dr. N. Vinaya Kumar had his doctoral thesis on Sahodaran Ayyappan and his role in the process of political modernization in Kerala in 2002. There are Sahodaran Ayyappan Memorial School at Cherai, Sahodaran Ayyappan Memorial Training College at Puthota, statue at Kadavandara on Sahodaran Ayyappan Road in Kochi, and a bust at Konni.